How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I would take a moment to kind of do an unboxing slash talk about an oil catch can. Today I received my Radium Engineering oil catch can for the Type R. I had a oil catch can on the Camaro. I'm going to put this one on the Type R. For me, even though I don't keep cars long enough, I still take care of them as if I'm going to keep it for a long period of time. And for a new modern direct injected vehicle, I think an oil catch can is very important. You can see videos, and I'll put some links in the description below, when I had the Camaro, of how much oil was getting into that catch can. It was a decent amount every 3,000 or every 5,000 miles, depending on the time of year when I was changing my oil. We'll see how the Type R goes as far as how much oil gets into this oil catch can. This is specifically just the PVC kit. I didn't go with the crankcase vent, mainly because I didn't think it was as necessary. Talking to a few other Honda owners who had the dual catch can set up, the crankcase ventilation doesn't get as much oil in it. So the PVC was my main goal, to keep as much oil out of the intake as possible. So let's open it up. So I have already opened it just to look at things. First we got the bracket. Pretty self-explanatory. Instructions, as well as all the connections required. If you've ever looked into other catch cans or any other products, I'll say this: Radium Engineering has probably some of... So if you've ever looked into any other catch cans out there, the one I had for the Camaro was in Mishimoto, and that was good. It had the OE connectors to it that worked really well with the Camaro. But Radium's quality is honestly probably some of the best I've seen out of their stuff. The catch cans, very well built, very heavy too. Got some good weight to it. All right, so here's the actual catch can. Radium Engineering. What I do like about this kit is you can get a petcock drain on here. I opted to not get that because this one's actually pretty easy to get to in the car. But up here you do have a dipstick so that you can see where the oil is in relation to your catch can. I really like that. So then you don't have to take the bottom part off all the time just to see how much is in there. Because this can be kind of tedious when it's in the car like this to, unscrew this. So, catch can, baffling, and also has the filaments in there to help strain the oil in the air. Super high quality. I really like this company. This kit, depending on where you get it, I've seen it from $189 to $199, so not much difference in price. And for the quality versus some of the other catch cans out there, I think this is probably your best option if you have a Type R. Or honestly, they make universal kits as well. I had an MX-5 that I put a Radium catch can on, and that car didn't really need it. There wasn't a whole lot of oil that went through the PVC system, but I had the catch can. I made a bracket for it and put it in the car, and it did its job, and the resale on them is really good, so you can't go wrong there. But yeah, one thing I'm not too thrilled on, and I'm a green, I love the color green, but this doesn't look probably the best underneath the hood of the Type R. But that said, that's some pretty sexy jewelry there. So that's it for now. I'll definitely do an install video later when I get close to putting this on. I'll probably put this on at about the time when the car's broken in and I can start getting on it, and which it should be in, I think I'm at 800 miles right now, so it shouldn't be too much longer. I want to get the car properly broken in. But I'll put this on, and hopefully winter slows down and we'll get to racing here soon. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Quick little Radium catch can intro video. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss an episode, and I'll see you guys all next time. Have a good night.